This is a really nice parameter and can help you to organize your definitions. You can find it under params, utilities, and there you see it. Jump. Drag and drop one of these, and notice that you have a pair. The start position and where would you like to go. So let me zoom out, place the second jump right here, and notice if I double click, I go to that position. If I double click, I come back to that position. Let me add another one to go from here to here. And notice that you can right click and change the name. So this is add. This is multiplication, multi. This is multi. And we are going to division. So now I can go back and forth very easily. Let me go to multi. Let me go to add, come back to multi, etc. I hope you get the idea. Let me see. This is right here under params. Jump.